In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make this perspective text in Canva by following a very simple and easy process. So without wasting time, let's start the video. First of all, go to Canva apps and search Typography. Okay, this is the app we're gonna use. Type your text right here. Here you have different fonts options you can choose from. Okay. Change the color. From here I'm gonna use the black color. Okay. From here you can adjust your text. Just like this. You can make it according to your requirements. Okay. After finalizing your text, simply click on Add Element to Design. Your text will automatically add it to your canvas. So this is the very simplest and easy process to make your text perspective in Canva. If you want to do any little changes, you can simply do it by clicking on the text again, and after finalizing, simply click on Update Element and your design will automatically update it. If you found this tutorial helpful, do let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.